Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to explain the given character is a special symbol or not. The given character is a symbol or not. First of all, how can you decide the character is a symbol? Symbol means what? It can be a dollar, right? It can be any exclamatory mark, right? Ampersand, mod, anything, right? How can we decide means what? It should not. See that logical not operator. It should not an uppercase character and it should not a lowercase character and it should not a digit. Then we can decide that, right, that character is a symbol. Nothing but remaining all are symbols only. So now we need to understand that how can we write the condition for uppercase, lowercase and digit. The same thing if you apply there, right, then you will get the result. See, for example, I'm taking one character ch is equals to. First, I'm taking the symbol dollar. Now I'm writing the condition if it is not an uppercase character and not a lowercase character and not a digit. So we already know, we have already discussed that. How can we check the character is uppercase alphabet or not? If it is greater than or equals to capital A and less than or equals to capital Z. So if it is not an uppercase, and now if it is not a lowercase and ch is less than or equals to small z, and if it is not a digit greater than or equals to 0 and that less than or equals to 9. If it is not an uppercase alphabet, if it is not a lowercase alphabet, and if it is not a digit, so then we can decide that system.out.println, simply we are printing that it's a symbol, else it's not a symbol. It's not a symbol. So when we execute the code, you can see that output, it's a symbol. See, whenever I'm writing, instead of symbol, suppose if I write the digit, then we can say that it's not a symbol. It is other than that. Right? This is the way we are checking that the given character is symbol or not. Hope you understood. Please practice and check the output. Thank you.